Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, just guys, we are going to complete the ninth stage of this configuration, which is Microsoft System Center Configuration 2019. In this video, we are going to configure boundaries and boundary groups. So before going further, I will tell you about what is boundary basically. So as per Microsoft, a boundary is a network location on the intranet that can contain one and more devices that you want to manage. Very simple. Okay, and you can set as a circle, and inside that whatever you want to manage you can manage. And boundaries can be either an IP subnet, Active Directory, site name, IP version 6 prefix, or an IP address range based. And similarly, what is boundary group here? Boundary groups are collection of boundaries. There will be multiple boundaries in that. By using boundary groups, client on the intranet can find an assigned site. In addition to that, they can locate content such as applications, software update, and operating system images. So these are the just basic information about what is boundary and boundary groups. Now I will show you how to configure it. So if you are watching my videos, in previous video we installed System Center configuration successfully. And what I'm trying to do here, why do we create boundary and all? So let me show you. For example, this is my Active Directory. Okay, in every video I am just introducing about it. So here also once again I will introduce. So this is my Active Directory, Active Directory domain service, and this is the IP address and this domain name india.com. Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to merge. No, I should not say merge, but I'm creating relationship with like I have created one group here. Okay, I have one server here, one machine inside that server, and one system. Let me move one system. I should have Windows 7, move to this folder, and I have couple of users. So these users should reflect here automatically, should merge with this SCCM so that we can manage from here. So if you see here, if you go to this asset and compliance, so if you click on users, there is nothing as of now. Devices, only 2 devices, but there is no like server and all what and all I showed, and users, and it is showing you just nothing 0. Okay, and device collection, you can find all default if you see. So these are the default things. And now what we will do, we will create certain boundaries and all. So those, these users should reflect there, this system should reflect there. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, and for that you have to go to administration. Here first of all you need to enable this is like discovery method. How this SCCM will discover forest discover, group, system, users and all. Okay, from Active Directory. And as you can see here, there is no boundary. It is showing one default boundary. Okay, and this is boundary group. You can see default as of now. So we will enable one. We will enable this first of all. So you just go to this and give enable. Oh, I checked marked, so it is enabled. Now here what you have to do, you have to enable here and add location. This is for group, so you need to select location, just give here this OU. Okay, from this OU it should come, and just give any name, like I'm giving 2020 IND. This is Active Directory location, and we have to give this name here. So just give OK here and apply. Yes, we want to run. Similarly, system discovery, just give apply here and search same folder here. You need to browse this folder only, that OU not folder, and give OK, and just go back to this discover object within the directory group. You can select this also. Okay, and give yes. Same for user here, and just give to this option. You can see polling option is there, polling schedule, Active Directory attributes, couple of things here. So again you have to select the location, this location, and better you remove this. I will remove from there. So it will, if you select this, then it will search inside within Active Directory group only. So leave default and apply. Yes, here I had applied that option, so I can go and I can remove this. Leave default first, apply. Okay, so you have done this thing. 1 2 3 4 all enabled, and if you want you can enable network discovery also. And if you go to boundary now, you can just refresh it. You are seeing one default site. Refresh this, created, and now go to this option here. If you right click, you can create boundary. Okay, you can give like IP address and all. You can add here group and all. So as you can see here, IP subnetted and all. If you go to this one, you can check what it is. It is like site system boundary group, couple of things here. And one more thing, you can go to browse here also. If you have multiple, you can select here. Only default is reflecting here as of now. And boundary group, now just create one boundary group, give any name. I'm giving like again 2020 India, and click add, and this only default site is coming. Go to reference, use this boundary group. For this you have to assign this site, and click here SCCM server and just apply. Okay, so as you can see here, this site came now. What just now we created site group basically. And go to boundary. Here also you can create boundary if you want, but you will have to assign couple of things here, like if you go to this, cancel this, okay, and see here, like it is Active Directory site, it is showing you. Even you can create new if you want to create, then you will have to select Active Directory site like this, then browse Active Directory. Let's see, it is coming default only. Okay, same it is taking from that server. And even you can change this name if you want to whatever you want, and this group. And now you have to do here, you just need to run discovery. Run once, yes. This also you should run full discovery, yes. This run full discovery, okay. And boundary we have seen here, and group also. Now if you go to asset and appliance, then you should go to users now, and as you can see here, all user came to this 1 2 3 4. Even group came. Devices, if you go to devices, you should see this win server and test 2 virtual machine. Two machine, this and this, which is also showing here inside this system. One test, and inside server win SSCM, and group, this IT admin group, and users. This is what we can create here, very simple. And this is successfully done. And in next video we'll see the further configuration part of SSCM. And as of now, this is done, this video, and I'll be talking about some other topics. So guys, I hope you understood how to create boundaries, and discovery method, how to enable. In next video I'll talk about what are the types of discovery. Okay, and till then, try to learn from the video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, comment, share, like. See you in the next video guys. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching for this video.